One of the questions I get asked frequently is how do you print white ink on a dark t-shirt? And depending on the look that you're going for, there are two different types of speedball ink that you can use on dark t-shirts. On this shirt I wanted a weathered, worn look, so I used regular white speedball ink, fabric ink, and I went really heavy with the ink coat. And after a few washes, you'll see here that it is even more worn looking each time I wash it and wear it. This is another example using the Speedball white fabric ink. Because the letters are a little bit thinner, you don't notice the cracking quite as much. There is still some cracking and weathering, but it's not as evident on this shirt. Sometimes you may not want the cracked, worn look of your white ink, so that's when I would recommend using the Speedball Opaque fabric ink. Speedball's opaque fabric ink comes in several different colors, and all of them have a shimmery quality to them. In this video, I'm going to show you how I apply 2 coats of the white ink to get a nice solid white color on my dark t-shirt.